Audience, what? What are you doing staring at some giant peach-colored twisty metal art Beverly Hills? You trying to figure out what it is? You're never going to. Just give up now. Intro of darkness and redness and whiteness. I don't know what that is. Looks like, found some scrap and they're like, let's bend this up and put it somewhere in the middle of the swirly. Okay, so today, you guys don't know, I take my glasses off for this. It's Ash Wednesday, which means, Saul, cool it, man. I met a girl named Saul in Cancun, by the way. I said I always talk about her. I'm referring to the sun, but I'm speaking to her. She can hear me. It's basically like I'm talking to her. She was like, okay. I'm like, does it mean like okay? Or, oh, you're Spanish. Anyways, so it's Ash Wednesday. So people have blotches of ash on their foreheads. And I didn't know. So I just saw people that had these ash blotches. And I pointed it out to somebody. And they were like, I know. I'm like, okay. Oh, sorry. Religious practice. Yeah, sorry. So, anyway, you never know in LA. I mean, there's smog and pollution, and sometimes maybe it could get on your forehead. I was trying to help the guy out. He got very offended. So apparently, it's the first day of Lent. And it's funny because if you look at the Google Trends, two of the top 10, would you stop winding, please? It's too much wind. People search Lent, like that's like the second most popular search, and the third is Lint. So Lent is also very popular today, obviously. I mean, I love Lent. I have some Lent going on right now. Somebody asked me to use my phone, and I was about to lazy vlog, and I didn't know how to explain him. I didn't know how to explain, and I'm like, I'm about to record myself walking around and talking. So he was like, and he didn't say anything, he just walked away. It's true, anyways. So I had a meeting today. I don't know if I can talk about any of it. I'm so classy. I'm in Beverly Hills. There's a peach monument. It helps you get in the zone. I have another meeting in like 5 minutes. So I'm going to stop this vlog now-ish. Anything else to talk about? Superman curl. That's awesome. I wish I could purposely do that whenever I want. On cue. I'm going to try. I'm going to try to do it tomorrow. See if it worked. And then right now I'm a douchebag with sunglasses on my head and some coffee that I've been carrying around just because I don't want it to be empty. So I leave that last bit of brown backwash just so I look like I just got this. It's fresh. Anyways. Oh, yep. Building. It's bright. Okay, I'm gonna go. I did not post the Animated Adventures again today. It's so close to being done, but it's just tough to tweak the animation stuff. And there's no Q and Fail. So I'm gonna either post Q and Fail later today or maybe tomorrow morning. Or the animation. It's just, there's a couple tweaks I wanted to make and I couldn't do it myself. And Gonzo is like busy with a bunch of other stuff. I'm excited about it though. It's really fun. What else? Is there anything else? No! Oh, we're trying to set up a place to do live Toby games in that office place that I showed you guys a long time ago. Like to stream live game commentary. So we can actually have like, a group of us playing like I want to play Super Bomberman because we played it at Jack's house and didn't record it and it was the funniest thing ever. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say that because now you're like, no, I can't see it. If you care about my gaming videos, and you should because they're fantastic. Change your life for the better, hopefully. Or the worse. I mean, either way, as long as it has an impact. That's my goal, have an impact. Anyway, so we're gonna do it again. We'll do it again. And I want to play Tekken, that new Tekken game that I talked about. I was on the set when they were shooting the commercial because my friend Seth's gonna give it to me for free. Oh, my life. Okay, bless your face. Do that right. That is Mac. Okay, if you see on this video, bless you. Peace off. Subscribe, outro, darkness, then redness, then whiteness, then